To send a gift card through Zelle, you first need to understand what Zelle is and how it works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. To get started, you need to have the Zelle app or access it through your mobile banking app. If you do not have Zelle, you can download it from the App Store or enroll through your bank's website. Once you have Zelle, you need to link your debit card or bank account to the service. This will allow you to send and receive money. To send a gift card, you will need to purchase a gift card from a retailer that offers digital gift cards. Some popular retailers that offer digital gift cards include Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. Once you have purchased the digital gift card, you can send it to the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. However, if you want to send the gift card through Zelle, you will need to send the gift card code to the recipient through Zelle. To do this, open the Zelle app and select Send Money. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number and the amount you want to send, which in this case will be the value of the gift card. In the memo field, you can enter a message to the recipient, such as the gift card code and where it can be redeemed. You can then review the transaction and confirm that you want to send the gift card code. It is essential to note that Zelle does not directly support gift card transactions, so you will need to send the gift card code to the recipient, who can then redeem it. Best practices for sending gift cards through Zelle include only sending gift cards to people you trust and being cautious of scams. You should also make sure to keep the gift card code secure and only share it with the intended recipient. By following these steps, you can easily send a gift card through Zelle. Remember to always be cautious when sending money or gift cards and only use reputable services like Zelle.